Hey there, chess enjoyers! Today we will together continue to explore the exciting chess world, or to be more specific, we are diving into the deep world of chess opening traps. Today's topic, how you already read in the title of this video, is a quick and really very beautiful smothered checkmate opening trap in the Caro-Kann Defence, with which you can completely destroy your opponent and finish him after only 5 or 6 moves into the game. So let's not waste time anymore and jump right into it. The famous Caro-Kann Defence appears after e4 and c6 by black like this. So normally we would now continue with the main line, which would be pawn d4 by white. But if you want to play this crazy opening trap, then you have to choose to develop your knight on c3 with the so-called two knights variation of the Caro-Kann Defence. But now we don't have two knights developed yet on the white side of the chessboard. The reason for this is that normally we would now continue to develop on the following move our second knight on f3, like this. Our opponent has to play the normal answer, which is pawn d5, on which we play the very sneaky and interesting move, which is queen e2, already starting to prepare our smothered checkmate in the following moves. Maybe it's not clear right now how it will look like, how exactly it would look like, but after black has captured our pawn on e4 with his pawn, and we capture back by, trading pawns and fulfilling this trade with our knight like this, we can already see a pretty interesting tension here on the e-file of the chessboard. And black, so our opponent, really has to be very careful here. Because now there are different things that can happen. But considering the fact that black actually wants to develop his knight on f6 like this, but can't really do that because after we have captured the knight with our knight, he would be forced to capture back not with this e-pawn, how he actually wants to do it, also opening up the diagonal for the king's bishop like this, and yes, we could possibly develop it in the following moves. But here, this is not possible because of the queen standing on e2 and pinning this black pawn on e7. And therefore, black would be forced to capture our knight or to take back our knight with his g-pawn like this. And therefore, black could possibly in this position play knight d7, so develop their knight on d7 with the intention to play knight f6 afterwards and be able to capture back after we have captured and taken out the knight on f6, not with the g-pawn, but rather with the now developed knight on d7. But actually, knight d7 is a really very big mistake, because now we have the sneaky and winning move, which is knight d6 with a beautiful and smothered checkmate after only 5 moves into the game with the Caro-Kann Defence. The black king right now here on e8 is just getting completely blocked by his own chess pieces right now. And this pawn on e7 is really looking very sad, because unluckily he is pinned by our very strong and important standing queen on e2, and therefore cannot just capture the white knight on d6 to prevent the smothered checkmate. But unluckily he is pinned and can't do anything against the smothered checkmate trap in only 5 moves. But what is also very interesting about this opening trap in the Caro-Kann Defence is that it can be reached through different move orders. For example, in this position, we could also start the game, or as our second move, develop our knight on f3 like this. And after our opponent has played the normal continuation, which is pawn d5, we answer with the now actual two knights variation of the Caro-Kann Defence by developing our second knight on c3 like this. And here we have the same situation again, or a bit different. After black has captured our pawn, we fulfill the pawn trade like this. And here, after black has either played knight f6 or also bishop f5, we in both situations just play queen e2 like this. And yes, let's at first take a look at knight f6 followed by queen e2. And here in this position, black could possibly again just play knight d7 with the intention to defend this knight on f6, so in case that we capture it, they are not forced to capture back with the g-pawn, but can also take back and fulfill the knight light chess piece trade with their second knight from d7. But here we of course don't capture this knight, but rather play the very brilliant move, which is knight d6 with the devastating Smothered mate after only now 6 moves into the game for the black army. And if they rather develop their bishop here right now on f5 like this, we just do the same. We play queen e2 defending the knight and hoping for knight d7 by black to just do the same smothered checkmate again. So how you can see there are different move orders, how you can reach this beautiful smothered checkmate in the Caro-Kann Defence. And depending on what the move order is, it can be reached after 5 or also 6 moves. So this was it already with this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a like if you like this video, and write down there in the comments about which other chess topics you want to have a brand new video about on this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and till next time, bye!